Now that the tablet is mounted to the stand, we can turn it on. We do this by simply plugging in the power cord to the tablet's connector. This particular model tablet does not have a power button, so to turn power on and off, you simply plug and unplug the power cord. Now the tablet will begin its boot sequence. During this, the screen may flash a couple of times and some odd characters may appear. This is totally normal and our software will boot momentarily. Now that the system has booted, the pin pad is displayed. For first-time use, the system must be configured. To do this, start by tapping the Config button in the lower right-hand corner. We will start by connecting to the Wi-Fi. Do this with the Start Wi-Fi Wizard button. From here, a list of all available Wi-Fi access points will be displayed. Simply tap on your Wi-Fi access point. Now an on-screen keyboard is displayed. Type in your password, and if you have no password, just leave this field blank. When finished, hit OK and wait for the progress dialog to finish. Once the connected message is displayed, you are successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now that the device is connected to the network, we can enter in your organization's credentials. This includes the org ID and auth pin. These two values will be provided by Outlaw Technology in a secure email. Tap on the text box to open an on-screen keyboard and enter in each value. Note that these values are case sensitive. After entering each value, make sure to tap the corresponding Save button. And repeat the same steps for the auth pin. Now that these two values are set, use the Test Connection button to ensure a good network connection and that the credentials have been entered in correctly. If there is a typo in the credentials, Test Connection will display this error message. The next step is to configure the system to work with your scale. Select the scale model from the drop-down list. If your scale is not in this list, contact Outlaw Support and we'll be happy to add your particular scale to our library of scale models. Next, set the scale margin. This field allows the Outlaw software to accept a weight even if it is fluctuating within the specific margin. That is to say, even if the scale reports an unstable weight, but the fluctuation is less than this value, the Outlaw software will accept the weight. This is especially useful for hang scale applications. There are two more buttons that have not been discussed yet. Update will check for a software update immediately. I recommend doing this as soon as you connect to the Wi-Fi. The Reverse SSH button will allow our tech support team to remotely access the device to troubleshoot any potential issues you may have. The initial configuration is now done. Use the back button to return to the pin pad, and note that your organization's information is now being downloaded. Once the download is complete, you can use your PIN number to log into the system.